As the sunrise breaks, the harvest begins. Workers in full PPE meticulously tag every
Strap secured, boss. Spacing looks good back here.
Check the thermal on mill 4.
Solid, everything's in the green.
Pressure levels are optimal.
Sanitation confirmed. Everything is running smoothly.
This one is completely blocked.
Okay, help me lift it. We'll put the new one in now.
Look at the inconsistency near the edge.
Noted. I'm increasing the pressure now. Keep an eye on the torque.
Filter pressure is optimal.
And the UV modules are clear. System's running smoothly.
Pressure looks good on the pre-filters.
UV levels are stable. System's running clean.
Check the gap on stage 3. We're losing extraction.
Adjusting the valve now. Levels are stabilizing.
Food-grade lubrication points are sealed, and sanitation covers with drip trays prevent any leaks onto product zones.
The flow meter reading looks good. Confirmed. pH levels are within the acceptable range for this batch.
The target value for the lime slurry is holding steady.
Yes, cross-referencing with the digital logs now.
Detergent concentration confirmed at 2%.
Acknowledged. Starting final rinse cycle now.
Conductivity is stable across all loops.
Temperature readings are also well within the hygienic limits. We are cleared for production. The bearings look good. Surface integrity is fine. Okay, I've logged the readings. We can close it up now. turbidity levels are stabilizing after the adjustment. Yes, the downstream flow is completely clear now. The mixing speed is optimal.
Integrity check complete. We are good to go.
Confirmed. Results are uploaded to the centralized database.
Energy recovery seems optimal. We're getting good heat transfer in the preheater.
Agreed. The flow rate is consistent.
Check the flow right there. Looks uniform. Sensors are green.
The pressure is stable at 50 psi. Looks good. Maintain current flow rate. Humidity levels are stable at 40%.
Good. Seals look secure. I'm logging the check now.
Look at this seal, it's weak. Yes, pull it from the line.
Check the alignment on layer 4.
Looks good. Stability is within tolerance.
Approved.
Check the tension on that strap, please.
It's solid. The load bar is secure.
All right, final inspection complete. We're all set.
Pallet 32B scanned and ready for staging.
Copy that. Moving to dock 4 now.
Our commitment to a traceable supply chain and careful food safety culture ensures the highest quality products.
That's the last load for today. All right, let's clean up and head out. Roger that. See you at the truck.
We precisely measure the granule size distribution using laser diffraction, followed by a detailed moisture analysis to ensure quality control.
Lockout tag is secure. Go ahead with the swap.
All right, opening the housing now. Torque is set on the nozzle right at the specification.
Excellent. I'll sign off on the tablet now. Check the alignment on that last one.
Looks good from here. Compression is within spec.
Floors are dry, no odors detected. Looks good to load.
Confirmed. Seal it up. We got a tear right here. Okay, logging it now. Let's move it to the rewrap station. Watch the spill over there. Put this rack right here by the yellow line.
Okay, making sure it's locked in place.
I think I got everything in there. Thank you.
Temperature holding steady at 95.
Good. Bricks levels are stable. We are clear for the next phase.
Check valve 3B. Looks dry.
Confirmed. Moving to the next section.
Did you document the torque wrench return?
Yes, slot 12 is updated and signed off.
All tools accounted for and sanitized. Calibration checks complete.
Confirmed. Ready for sign-off.
Pressure differential is within tolerance at 0.4.
Okay, confirming the life cycle update on the manifest, we are good to proceed.
Everything appears to be running smoothly.
Confirmed. The energy consumption is exactly as predicted.
We need to ensure full traceability on this shipment. Verify the batch numbers.
Already done. The scanner confirms the match.
Checks complete on line 4.
Sensors calibrated and guards secured.
Ready for automated sequence start.